Asisio for 3.
Ang ganda lang naman. Nakita mo, basta inabot siya ng ganun at may space, they play well. They almost win. Oh, kita mo rin.
Jefferson gets it back.
Konti pa, 4 na yun.
Hindi na masyado nakakapagparamdam ngayong Commissioner's Cup.
Correct. Oh, there are two things there, Mago. That's a possible 3-point play for Irish. There are two things there. Yang has a bevy of point guards. Sige, tapusin mo muna yan.
Let's first take a look at Ronde trying to shake free, gives it up. Stingray to the cup. Pinabobo over the outstretched arms of Dion.
Remember, he played for Rainer Shah.
Then si Calvin Ogdan na nga at 19.4.
Well, number 3, number 4, no longer. Dito na tayo Minsan Miguel really ran out of steam here in this conference, especially in the ending. Pantis at Kailan with his third 3-point shot.
3-4-3 era. Ogdana releases. It is Stingray.
Favorite
Inis pa yung ring.
Favorite yan. 3-point shot. Counted, pero may also offensive foul. Loose ball foul. Ewan ko kung counted yun.
Paano mang na-release na yun? Belga now takes the 3.
Yes!
Big move. Pinaril pa si Stingray.
Dati niya kakampi. Ayun, tawa na tawa. Meron pang konting pasalubog.
Drop it off. It ends up on the outside. Santi for the 3.
I told you, when he makes his first shot, a 3-point shot, better watch out.
Silang dalawa ni Asisio nagpapaulan ngayon dito sa Pasig City. Bones flips it out. Ronde to a sliding Eran. JP goes to the jump hook.
Kita mo, veteran na. He has the poise. Hindi na.
Ogdana catch and shoot. It is raining threes at the Phil Sports on this Friday evening. TNT back within 4. Ronde puts his head down, barreling his way through. Ronde, Hollis, Jefferson, ladies and gentlemen.
Hindi niya pinabayaan na masupalpal siya. Kaya talaga itinang na lang. Went over on top of the ring.
In what has been an explosive third quarter play. Johnson inside, what a pass from goal.
TNT just...
Johnson to the corner. Clarito,
Galing si Clarito sa kanya.
Rainer Shine pushing their lead back up to 5. Shooting from the 3-point line. Here he comes again.
Yes! Yes, and remember, TNT has already called a timeout here, so they're preserving it.
Anton Asisio gives Rainer Shine another double-digit lead.
And they need to, they probably need to get somebody.
Thompson gets deep.
That's offensive.
That's a flop. That's a flop on Ronde.
Yeah.
Will they count the basket though?
No. Siyempre nauna yung flop. Hindi pa naman siya pumipili. Something yan, lay up na.
Sabi ng Rainer Shine, natago ko sapatos mo.
Corazon. Jello.
At hanggang ngayon, di makapagsintas ha. Ito si Stingray.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo. Angat ang laban.